Dear students, welcome to the third chapter of your Class 8 computer course. Today, we will start a new chapter, Adobe Photoshop CS3. At first, I will discuss the aims and objectives of this session. After this session, you will be able to understand Adobe Photoshop Creative Suite 3, know the features, components and different selection tools of Adobe Photoshop CS3. Create a new file and insert images. Know the common paint tools in Photoshop. Then we will solve objective problems from this chapter. Now see what is Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is a graphics editing program developed by Adobe Systems. Thomas Knoll created the first version of Adobe Photoshop in 1987. Now see the features of Adobe Photoshop CS3 Professional. It has a very user-friendly interface. Photo editing or photo manipulation can be done fast and effortlessly. It has powerful tools to enhance or change the color of an image by adjusting the brightness and contrast, and so on. Crop or resize pictures without losing the quality of an image. Remove unwanted objects from the picture using vanishing point tool. Quick selection tools help users to click and drag across an image to make fast selections. It can create graphics for web applications with reduced file size that can be compressed by up to 50% of its original size. The layer effects preserve the original image while manipulating another version of it. It can create three-dimensional icons. Print window simplifies the printing options. New auto align and blend features help to save time. So these are the features of Adobe Photoshop. Now we will look at the various components of Adobe Photoshop CS3. Title bar is the topmost bar in the application window. It displays the name of the program. Below it is the text menu. We can see that it displays 10 different menus. Below the text menu is the context menu or the options bar. The items here change to reflect the options associated with the tool being selected. The workspace or the image window contains the image that you want to edit. The tools palette is to left of the Photoshop window. It works like an artist paint box and holds variety of tools which help us to draw, paint and manipulate the image. Some of the tools in tools palette are the selection and crop tools, retouching and paint tools, drawing and type tools, annotations, measurement, foreground color. To the right of the window is a separate area for palettes. They are floating dialog boxes with different options to help the user to edit the images. Now see how to create a new file and insert image. Open Photoshop, start Adobe Photoshop CS3. Now see how to create a new file. Click File New from the menu bar. A new dialog box opens as in the diagram. Specify the details, name, width, height, resolution, color mode, etc. Then click OK. You get a blank new file. Now click File Save to save your file. Default extension of Adobe Photoshop file is .psd. Now see how to insert an image. Click File from menu bar, then select Open. Go to the location where images are stored. Then click OK. The image is displayed on work area. Now we will discuss about selection tools of Adobe Photoshop. Selection tools are used to select an image or any part of the image to perform cut, copy, edit or retouching operations. There are various selection tools in Photoshop. At first, you will see Marquee tool. Marquee tool is used to select an image or part of it in a rectangular, square, elliptical or circular shape. Rectangular marquee makes a rectangular selection or a square. Elliptical marquee makes an elliptical selection or a circle. Single row or single column marquee. Okay. Now see lasso tool. The lasso tool is a bunch of three very useful tools used for selecting irregular shapes. There are three types of lasso tools. Shortcut is L, available to help you select part of an image. They are lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool and magnetic lasso tool. The lasso tool is useful for drawing free-form segments of a selection border. The polygonal lasso tool creates selections with straight edges. It is perfect for selecting objects like buildings and products. The magnetic lasso tool is an edge selection tool that detects an image's edges and automatically selects the pixels around them. Selections are freehand but with assistance from Photoshop. This gives it a high degree of precision, particularly if there is some contrast between image and the background. Now we will see quick selection tool. This tool is used for quick selection. As you drag the mouse, the selection expands outward and automatically finds and follows the defined edges in the image. Now see Magic Pen tool. It is used to automatically select the adjacent areas of the same color in an image. On selecting Magic Pen tool, the context menu displays the following options with their specification. Now see Tolerance. Tolerance refers to the sensitivity of color differences. Higher the tolerance, wider will be the range of selected pixels. Anti-alias. It produces a smooth edge. Now see contiguous. It limits the selection to adjacent pixels only. Now see crop tool. Crop tool is used to select a specific area that you want to focus on, and it removes the unwanted parts or everything outside the selected area of a picture. Now see Move tool. Move tool is used to drag a selected part of an image to a new location. Okay. Adobe Photoshop is basically an image editing and retouching software, but we can also create artworks by using different pen tools. So see what are the different pen tools. Gradient tool. The gradient tool allows you to fill an area with a range of colors in a specified pattern. It creates a blend between two or more colors. Gradient of colors can be filled with linear, angle, reflected and diamond gradient. Now see Paint Bucket tool. It is used to fill an image or part of it with different colors based on the tolerance or range of colors. Now we will solve problems from this chapter. Now we will do fill in the blanks. The hints are Tools Palette, Selection Tool, Palettes, GIF, Specified Area, Gradient, Black Triangle, 1987. Now see number 1. Dash are animated images which are mostly used in web pages. So from the hint you find out the answer. It will be GIF. GIF means Graphics Interchange Format, which are animated images mostly used in web pages. Now see number 2. The first version of Photoshop was invented in Dash and was named as Display Program. So the answer will be 1987. Thomas Knoll created Adobe Photoshop in 1987. Now see number 3. Dash works like an artist's paint box which holds all the drawing tools used to draw, paint, retouch or erase the image. So the answer will be Tools Palette. because tools palette is same as artist pen box which contains all the drawing tools. Now see number 4. Crop tool is used to select a dash that you want to focus on and remove the unwanted parts. So from the hint you find out the answer. It will be specified area. Crop tool is used to focus on specified area of the image and remove the unwanted parts. Okay. Now see number 5. Some of the tools have tiny dash at bottom right corner. So the answer will be black triangle. If you observe, you can see tiny black triangles at bottom right corner. Now see number 6. Dash are floating dialog boxes which help the user with different options to edit the images. So the answer will be palettes. Palettes help the user to edit the images with different options. Now see number 7. Dash tool creates a blend between two or more colors. So from the hint you find out the answer. It will be gradient. Because gradient tool fills an image area with range of colors. Now see number 8. Dash is used to select an image or any part of it to perform cut, copy, edit or retyping operations. So the answer will be selection tool. Because selection tool helps to select an image or any part of the image to perform cut, copy, edit or retyping operations. Now we will do true or false. Number 1. Lasso tool is a bunch of 3 very useful tools used for selecting irregular shapes. So it will be true. Because lasso tool is a combination of 3 very useful tools. These are lasso tool itself, polygonal lasso tool and magnetic lasso tool. Now see number 2. The palette wheel is present on the bottom right corner of the Photoshop window. It will be false because palette wheel is present on the top right corner of the Photoshop window. Now see number 3. Marquee is a blinking selection border. It will be true because blinking selection border is called marquee. Now see number 4. There are 3 types of selection tools in Photoshop. It will be false because there are various types of selection tools are there in Photoshop. Now see number 5. Adobe Photoshop 1 was launched in 1990. It will be true. Now we will do application based questions. Now see number 1. Poonam is a wildlife photographer. In one of her animals photographs, she wants to focus only on one lion in the right and remove the rest. Which tool can meet her requirement? The answer will be crop tool can meet her requirement. Now see number 2. Vidya has inserted an image of penguins. She wants to select an irregular area of the image. Suggest the tool which will serve her purpose. So the answer will be Vidya has to use the lasso tool which will serve her purpose. Okay. Now we will do multiple choice questions. Now see number 1. Which is the latest version of Adobe Photoshop? The options are CS5, CC and CS3. So the correct option will be CC. CC means Creative Cloud. Okay. Which is the latest version of Adobe Photoshop. Now see number 2. Who invented Photoshop? The options are Thomas Knoll, Thomas Edison and Thomas Cook. So the correct option will be Thomas Knoll because he created first version of Adobe Photoshop in 1987. Now see number 3. Which bar shows different options of the currently selected tool? The options are toolbar, context menu and menu bar. So the correct option will be context menu, which shows different options of the currently selected tool. Now see number 4. Which is the default extension of an Adobe Photoshop file? The options are .psd, .phd and .psh. So the correct option will be .psd. It is a default extension of an Adobe Photoshop file. Now see number 5. Which tool is used to remove the unwanted parts of a picture? The options are move, lasso and crop. So the correct option will be crop. Crop tool is used to focus on main area of the image and remove the unwanted parts of a picture. Now see number 6. Which key combination is used to deselect the selected area? The options are Ctrl plus Q, Ctrl plus D and Ctrl plus Z. So the correct option will be B, Ctrl plus D. Okay. Thank you class.